Good evening, everyone. Hope you all are fine. How are you? Amanullah, Mehmet.
I'm fine, miss.
Okay, and I'm fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. So now we can start the class, and we know today is our presentation day. Okay, and uh, I just share a slide here. There is a conversation you have to say without saying. So I just give you 1 minute. Okay, just for 1 minute to take preparation. Okay, so here, do you like apples? Yes, I do. Do you like oranges? Yes. Do you like strawberries? No, I don't. Do you like strawberries? Yes. Do you like bananas? Yes, I like bananas. So here, first of all, apples, oranges, strawberries, and with strawberry, they gave uh, asked each other, and then bananas. So I just stop share now. And first of all, Amanullah say, Amanullah. Amanullah, you just raise your two fingers. Okay? আমরা finger raise করবো, two fingers, and then you say. Amanullah, start.
Do you like apples? Yes, I do. Do you like oranges? Yes. Do you like strawberries? Yes. No, I don't. No, I don't. Do you like strawberry? Yes. Do you like bananas? Yes, I like bananas.
Thank you, Amanullah. Great. I'm proud of you. Sadman say now. After Sadman, then Ibrahim. Okay?
Do you like apples? Yes, I do. Do you like orange? Yes. Do you like strawberries? No, I don't. Do you like strawberries? Yes. Do you like bananas? Yes, I like bananas.
Thank you, Sadman. Ibrahim. After
Um,
Ibrahim, then Mehmet.
Do you like apples? Yes, I do. Do you like oranges? Yes. Do you like strawberry? No, I don't. Do you like strawberry? Yes. Do you like bananas? Yes, I like bananas.
Okay, Mehmet. Mehmet, start. Now everyone be prepared for the pineapple. Pineapple নিয়ে সবাইকে বলতে হবে. Be prepared. Mehmet,
Do you like apples? Yes, I like. Yes. Do you like do you like apples? Yes.
Mehmet, what's problem? Why you are... Mehmet, ভালো করে বলবো. Say properly. Mehmet, what's problem? You didn't read, Mehmet?
No.
Why? You are so busy person. You have to do the great job. You have to fix the your everything. You have to earn money. That's why you can't get the time. So don't do this, Mehmet. If you do next time, then I will give you punished. Okay? So now all of you be ready for the pineapple. And here you have to talk about the pineapple as well as after saying this, then you talk about the picture. And now I'm reading one time. This is a pineapple. The pineapple is here. You have to put the is because there is printing mistake. The pineapple is yellow and grows on trees. It is a hard fruit. It has a spiky skin and leaves growing at the top. We don't eat the leaves or the skin. Pineapples are good for us. As well as you directly say the picture. Now I'm talking the picture. There is a boy. He is laughing and he is wearing a dress with orange and there is a star design in his dress and he is wearing also short pant and shoes with socks and he is holding a fruit. It's called a pineapple, and it's called pineapple. The pineapple color is yellow, but this pineapple is so funny because it has two legs, two hands, it has two eyes, and a big mouth. The pineapple is laughing, and there are some leaves on top of it. That's all about the picture. And you can add more things. We just eat the inside in, we don't eat the spiky skin as well as the leaves. Got it? সবাই কি বুঝতে পেরেছি? Okay. So, I just give you for 2 minutes. Take preparation. মেহমেদকে ফার্স্ট ধরবো। এবার যদি মেহমেদ না পারে আমি তাকে দাঁড়া করে রাখবো ভিডিওর মধ্যে। So be ready for 2 minutes. মেহমেদ মনোযোগ দিয়ে পড়বো। Amanullah, be prepared. Sadman, be prepared. Ibrahim, don't talk with other. Please be prepared. Okay, so now I covered these things. Ibrahim, first of all, you say. You give the presentation about pineapple. Read the- Ibrahim, sound দিব। Ibrahim, unmute yourself. Give your presentation now.
This is a pineapple, and the pineapple is yellow and grows on trees. it is a hard fruit. The pineapple has spiky skin and the leaves is at the top. The pineapple are good for us.
Then talk about the picture.
I see a picture. I see a boy. The boy is happy and the pineapple is laughing. In, in, Also the boy and the pineapple color is yellow. The pineapple is very big and his mouth is very big.
Okay, thank you, Ibrahim. Now, Sadman. Thank you, Ibrahim. You have some problem with the network. Sadman বলবো, Sadman.
Like this very.
Sadman বলবো.
This is a pineapple. The pineapple is yellow and grows on trees. It is a hard fruit. It has a spiky skin and leaves. Uh, Pineapples are good for us.
Then you talk about the picture.
The boy is laughing. The boy is wearing a dress. The dress color is orange. And the boy is holding a fruit. The fruit name The fruit is laughing, and the fruit has 2 eyes, 2 hands, and 2 legs.
Okay, thank you. Now, Amanullah say. Amanullah.
This is a pineapple is yellow and its leaves mm, mm, and
Amanullah বলো। আমানুল্লাহ হয়েছে বলো, পড়াশোনা না করলে হবে না? এভাবে ক্লাসে আসলে আমি আর ক্লাসে আসতে দিব না। নো নিড, we have no need this type of students. You have to read, you have to prepare, you have to practice again and again, otherwise you can't join here, okay? আমানুল্লাহ, যেহেতু আমি পড়া দেই, বুঝাই দেই, নেক্সট ক্লাসে দেই, এরকম হলে আমি রিকোয়েস্ট করবো যে ক্লাসে আসবো না। আই ডোন্ট লাইক দিস। এভাবে এসে ভিডিওতে এসে চেহারা দেখানোর কোনো দরকার নেই, আমাদের ক্লাসে আসতে হবে, পড়তে হবে। আচ্ছা, এটা এখন লিখে ফেলবো উইদিন উইদিন 3 মিনিটস, 3 মিনিটের মধ্যে লিখে ফেলবো, ঠিক আছে সাদমান? ওকে, কুইকলি আবার লিখবো। আমানুল্লাহ ভিডিও অন করবো। ইব্রাহিম, অন ইউর ভিডিও। হুম। Done, everyone? Show your copy. Your writing is done?
No, Miss.
Okay. And when you write down, you have to pronounce, okay? Ibrahim, on your video.
Miss, I have done.
Now memorize this. আমানুল্লাহ দেখে দেখে লিখে তো ডান না, ভালো করে এটা মেমোরাইজ করব। Ibrahim, are you writing? Actually, Ibrahim, where is your copy? Show your copy, Ibrahim. I want to see your copy. No, this is previous writing. Right now, you have to write it down. এখনই লিখতে বলেছে, আগের লেখা দেখালে হবে না। আমরা কি এখনই লিখেছি, ইব্রাহিম? No.
মিস এটা এখনো লেখা।
Really?
Yes, miss.
It means I wrote it right now.
Yes, miss.
আচ্ছা, ওকে। সাদমান ডান হয়েছে?
Yes, Miss. Miss, look this.
Wow, everyone look at সাদমান's copy. সবাই তো সাদমানের কপিটা দেখবো। Great. সাদমান, thank you.
Welcome, Miss.
Okay. So now we can do this one. আচ্ছা, এটা শেষ, এটা শেষ, এটা শেষ। Okay. So, did you talk with this picture? এই পিকচার নিয়ে কি আমরা কথা বলেছি? Did you talk with this picture?
No, miss.
No. Sadban, did you?
No,
No. So that means this is the speaking part. Now you have to talk about this picture. Now listen carefully. I'm telling about this picture and then you have to say, okay? Well, I can see a picture. There is a boy and there is a boy. He is wearing a vest. Its color is white with green, and he is in barefoot. Barefoot মানে খালি পায়ে আছে, and he is feeding some pigeons. There are three pigeons in front of him, but in this picture we can see total seven pigeons, and this boy is feeding them, and in front of them we can see a box. These are full of food of birds, and beside him there is a bird house. It's very small, and these are made of wood. It has two doors, very small doors, and in front of these door there are two pigeons, and on the house there are more two pigeons, and this house is stand on a wood. And that's all about the picture. Okay. And you can talk about more about this boy because this boy is so handsome. He is very good looking and his hair is shiny with black hair. And that's all. ঠিক আছে? তাহলে প্রথমে কে বলবে? Who want to say first about this picture? Ibrahim. Now Ibrahim said. Sound দিব Ibrahim?
I see a picture and a boy feeding some pigeon and beside the boy I see a bird house, and on the bird house I see some pigeons, and the pigeons is playing, and the boy is look to good look, and some pigeon is fly away.
Okay, Ibrahim, then that's it. Ibrahim, that's it.
Yes, miss.
This all about the picture?
This all about my picture.
Okay, সাদমান বলবো এবার সাদমান। আচ্ছা, আমরা সবাই হচ্ছে পিকচার নিয়ে লিখবো। Only 5 or 10 lines, okay? Write down about this picture. সাদমান বলবো, সাদমান।
I see a picture. The pigeons. I see 7 pigeons. I see a small house. The pigeons are playing. The house has 2 doors. And the place is not clean. I see the pigeons are eating food.
That's it.
That's all about this.
But you did many pauses. ঠিক আছে সাদমান, তুমি এটাকে নিয়ে আরো 5-6 বার প্র্যাকটিস করো এবং লিখে ফেলো। You just write down about the picture. Okay, picture নিয়ে আমরা লিখবো। Amanullah, I said you have to write it down, but why you sit down lazily? Amanullah, say now. Amanullah, you talk about this picture and then write it down about this picture.
This is, I can see a bird. I can see a boy. The boy is
Feeding মানে হচ্ছে খাওয়ানো। Feeding
feeding but I can see a bird. The bird is eat rice. I can see a home. The home is very small. I can see a home door. The door is very small. I can see a bird. The bird is under the home. I can see 2 birds. The bird is home door. The bird is black and white. এরপর
এরপর না নেক্সট। Okay, Amanullah, now write it down. Mehmet, say now. Mehmet. Mehmet, now you talk about the picture. Hmm.
I can see a bird. Bird is under the home. The bird is color is white and black. The boy is feeding. I can see a two. I can see a nest.
That's it. Okay. So for writing, I give you more 2 minutes. হ্যাঁ 2 মিনিট দিচ্ছি লিখার জন্য, তো সবাই আমরা just 2 মিনিটে। Okay. Mehmet, write it down. I will check all the copies. আমি কপি চেক। মেহমেদ, আর ইউ রাইটিং? মেহমেদ, তুমি কি লিখছো? পিকচার দিয়ে লিখছো? মেহমেদ।
Yes.
আচ্ছা, I will check your copy. আমি দেখবো how many lines will you write. Okay, I want to see your copy one by one. Show your copy. Actually, today I'm sick. Okay, সবাই দেখাবো ইব্রাহিম সাদমান আচ্ছা আমানুল্লাহ what did you write? Just read out from your copy. কপি থেকে আমাকে পড়ে শোনাও কি লিখেছো সাউন্ড দিব আমানুল্লাহ বি ফরমাল
This is a boy. The boy is on the bird home.
গুড
The bird is the home 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 door. The door is small. The bird color is black and white. For for I can for I can bird it I I can see a bird. The bird eat rice.
ওকে আমানুল্লাহ ঠিক আছে ইব্রাহিম সেন ইব্রাহিম
I see a picture and the boy is feeding sun pigeons. And the boy has no shoes. The boy hair is very nice. Beside the boy, this is a bird house on four pigeons in the bird house. The bird house color is light brown. There are two doors in the house. This is all about my picture.
excellent great writer in future you want to be a writer Ibrahim
Yes, miss.
লেখক হতে চাই in future you want to be a writer
No, miss.
no but you can write wow excellent হয়েছে good সাদমান বলো এবার
Miss,
yes
আমি অ্যাডমিশন টেস্টে ফার্স্ট হয়েছি।
very good congratulations which school
শামসুল হাক্কান স্কুল অ্যান্ড কলেজ।
okay excellent congratulations I'm proud of you very good I know you are a good student and you are hardworking person very good Ibrahim carry on অনেক ভালো করেছে সবাইকে শুনেছো ইব্রাহিম কিন্তু ফার্স্ট হয়েছে অ্যাডমিশন টেস্টে সে ফার্স্ট হয়েছে এক্সেলেন্ট গ্রেট জব and I wish I pray for all of you but actually those who do hard work they can achieve their success otherwise anyone without hard working no one can achieve their success am I right পরিশ্রম ছাড়া কেউ সাকসেস হতে পারবে না পড়াশোনা না করে পারবো আমানুল্লাহ বুঝতে পেরেছি শুধু আসলে গেলে হবে না পড়াশোনা করতে হবে পরিশ্রম করতে হবে সাদমান সে নাও সাদমান
I see a nice picture. There are some pigeons and a small boy. A boy is sitting beside a small bird's house. The house is made by wood. It has two doors. Its color is black and brown. I see a boy feeding some pigeons. The pigeons are playing. A small boy wears a vest. He has no shoe, but the boy is looking good. That's all about this picture.
you Sadman also good Mehmet say now and after that we will learn our rhymes and right now you have to say the rhymes Mehmet বলবো Mehmet
Talk about this picture. I can see a bird under the net. I can see a bird. The bird color is white and black. I can see a boy. That is feeding.
is feeding. Feeding মানে হচ্ছে খাওয়ানো। Eat মানে নিজে খাওয়া, feeding মানে কাউকে খাওয়ানো।
Miss, may I go to washroom?
Yes, but come quickly. Don't delay. Don't play with water. আচ্ছা, thank you, Mehmet. Okay, now, okay. এখন আমরা একটা rhyme শুনবো. We will learn a rhymes. I think last class I watched this. I shown this. There is a rhymes. Clap your hands. Did you memorize this? Clap your hands. No, you don't forget. Okay, so now, there now. Well, Ibrahim say the rhymes, and all of you listen carefully.
মিস আমরা তো এটা আগেরবার বলেছিলাম।
আচ্ছা, এখন বলো দেখি, আবার ভালো করে বলো।
Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands.
Good.
Stamp your feet, stamp your feet. Listen to the music and stamp your feet. Turn around, turn around. Listen to the music and turn around. Jump up high, jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high.
Very good. Amanullah say now. Thank you.
বলতে হবে
হ্যাঁ, আমানুল্লাহ বলো।
Clap
Ibrahim
your hand, clap your hand. Listen to the music and clap your hand. Stamp your neck, stamp your neck. Turn around, turn around. God.
Listen to the music and turn around.
And turn around.
Jump up high.
Jump up high, jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high.
Jump up high. Now Sadman say now.
Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Stamp your feet, stamp your feet. Listen to the music and stamp your feet. Turn around, turn around. Listen to the music and turn around. Jump up high, jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high.
Very good. মেহমেদ বলবে এখন। মেহমেদ পড়ায় মনোযোগ নাই, দুষ্টুমি করছে মেহমেদ। মেহমেদ say now.
Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music, clap your hands.
First বলবো,
Mm,
then
Clap, stamp your feet, stamp your feet. Listen to the music and clap, stamp your feet.
then দ্রুত বলবো ফার্স্ট।
Jump, mm, mm,
then
turn, turn around, turn around. Listen to the music, turn around.
ফার্স্ট ফার্স্ট
Jump,
বেশি করে এটা খেতে হবে, then he can tell properly, তাই না? মেহমেদের বেশি বেশি করে ফিডার খেতে হবে, তাহলে মেহমেদ পারবে। and rest of the students I give this chocolate bar. যারা পারবে না তাদের জন্য হচ্ছে ফিডার, তাই না? am I right? জামানুল্লাহ মাঝে মাঝে, জামানুল্লাহ also agree. Okay, আচ্ছা। সো আমাদের হোমওয়ার্ক থাকবে হচ্ছে, এই যে আমাদের কিন্তু এক্সাম শেষ এখন, তাই না? সো আওয়ার টাস্ক ইজ you try to make videos every single day, only one videos you give presentation, only one. প্রতিদিন একটা করে প্রেজেন্টেশন দিব, সবগুলো স্লাইড থেকে একটা একটা করে ভিডিও মেক করব, তাতেই আমাদের ভিডিও হয়ে যাবে, ঠিক আছে? সো হোমওয়ার্ক থাকবে ভিডিও করব, ভিডিও করে you have to send this page লিয়াকত কিডস ইংলিশ অফিসিয়াল গ্রুপ, এই গ্রুপে, ফেসবুক গ্রুপে আমরা ভিডিওটা পোস্ট করবো, এটাই হচ্ছে হোমওয়ার্ক। মাস্ট প্রেজেন্টেশন দিতে হবে, হ্যাঁ, না দেখে ভিডিও করতে হবে। তাহলে আজকে আমরা এই পর্যন্তই। থ্যাংক ইউ এভরিওয়ান, দিস ইজ অল ফর টুডে। আল্লাহ হাফেজ, বাই। ওকে সাদমান, বাই। ভিডিও মেক করতে হবে, ঠিক আছে?
Okay, Miss.
ওকে, বাই।